What can you get with $120? Fanta banana from Honduras. Fanta Session from Japan. Fanta Mystery from Japan. Fanta Jasmine Peach from China. Fanta Exotic from France. Fanta Dragon Fruit from France. All of our Skittles from the United Kingdom. Cheetos Mozzarella and Tomato from Japan. Lay's 3-in-1 from Thailand. Lay's Beef Wellington from China. Red Bull Coffee from Vietnam. Fanta Banana from Trinidad. Kit Kat Melon from Japan. Kit Kat Pistachios from Japan. Shop with us Streetopia Exotics.